Here in Nashville, it was another difficult, emotional day for Caitlyn Kaufman's family.
The star witness taking the stand today in the trial for her murder, describing the moments the defendant allegedly confessed to the crime.
He acting weird, and he's saying like, man, I don't like, he keep on asking me that I get rid of the gun, and he finally showed me the article of what happened.
That was Jacques Merrill Odom, known by his friends as Gucci. Merrill Odom is responsible for leading investigators to the suspects. That includes Devontae Hill, his childhood friend, accused of pulling the trigger.
Caitlyn's mother was seen wiping away tears toward the end of Merrill Odom's testimony. Other family members even stepping out, at points overwhelmed by grief. Stephanie Langston has been in court listening all day.
She joins us live just outside the courtroom. And Stephanie, some really painful evidence and testimony for Caitlyn's family today to hear.
No doubt painful for everyone in that courtroom today to see and hear, but especially Caitlyn's parents and loved ones who are in town from Pennsylvania, some having to step out here in the hallway, overcome with emotions as we heard graphic details of Caitlyn's autopsy.
Caitlyn Kaufman's father among those leaving the court as we were shown photos of his daughter's injuries as well as the clothing she was wearing when she was fatally shot. We also saw the bullet that came through Caitlyn's driver's side window, piercing her arm, both lungs and heart. Earlier, the key witness in this case, Jacques Merrill Odom, who goes by Gucci, seen shackled and wearing a yellow jumpsuit, a childhood friend of Devontae Hill, who ultimately came forward telling investigators that Hill was the shooter and giving investigators the weapon used in Caitlyn's death. Gucci saying he had traded guns with Hill, not knowing it was the murder weapon at the time. And once learning that, Gucci told his mother, who encouraged him to come forward.
I didn't feel right having that weapon. I didn't feel right knowing about it and not saying nothing about it and not doing nothing about it. I wouldn't want it to happen to none of my family and nobody do nothing. I wouldn't want my mom to lose somebody and nobody do nothing, or lose me and nobody do nothing, and she just got to sit there and just take it.
Gucci testifying that he first reached out to Caitlyn's mom, Diane, on Facebook and then tried tracking her down at St. Thomas Hospital, where he ended up meeting with detectives on the case.
Now, while some of Caitlyn's family chose to step out during some of today's testimony, it was a different story when it comes to those that were here for the defendants who were actually asked to leave. I'll talk more about that part of the story coming up on News 2 at 5. Reporting live from the Birch Building, Stephanie Langston, News 2.
Thank you, Stephanie. You can watch the trial live online at WKRN.com. You can also see recaps each day on our homepage.